center that we just took it upon ourselves to drive through there. Well, somebody left in front of us. You see the tracks.
Yeah, that might be the maintenance guy though.
He almost looks like he was on a... Yeah, he picked up his paint cans that were laying there. Almost looked like he was on the rims or something though.
Yeah, just regular all-terrain. They get filled up with mud. They don't self-clean like mud terrain tires.
Redbird State Recreation Area.
They marked off that one.
Yeah, they've got it all blocked off because of the grass seed and everything down there. Yeah, we looked at that one before. Okay. We are entering the Redbird off-highway vehicle trails in Indiana. And yeah, it looks like some good trails. So
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I don't lie at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they
just kind of fun.
A little shellite, not too terrible. I'm just glad it isn't super muddy or anything.
Yeah, some of those trails. That's extreme difficulty up there.
Well, I don't see any arrows.
Yeah. Well, let's peek over that and see what it looks like. No, this ain't too bad. Can you get between there, though?
That's a good question. Is that one wider?
Well,
I believe it
you
is.
want me to get out and look?
No, I'm gonna go back just a little.
There's that big stump there's the problem.
Yeah.
I think you can fit through either one. Let me go look though. All right,
Okay,
because you don't know what's through on that side. Yeah, can't hardly stand up out there.
Which way?
It's gonna tear something off over here if you keep going.
Okay.
I thought maybe the tires would push it over, but it didn't.
Okay. I'll go backward.
And you got a big stump right here. I don't think you'll get over that with your clearance.
We'll see. How big?
Well, on the downside, it's sticking up about that high.
All right. Close and I'll go back.
Try to back out of that.
Okay. Wonder if you can just drive back.
Well, it looks like it's open. There's no fees. Somebody's painting.
Oh. And that's a big hill though.
Yeah, let's find something more our technical skill set. We
Oh,
need
mine big hills, but they're
What?
not that steep. It's fucking steep.
Here we go. We're recording. All right.
Alright, so looks alright.
Yeah, make sure you got it in gear.
Yep, we're good.
Oh. Oh yeah, this is much more our style.
I am totally fine with that.
Yeah.
That all day. Ones that make your butt pucker.
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, goes up.
Well, there's some difficulty shit
And
there.
I believe, so that's...
Oh yeah, that's the top up here.
Yeah, and then I believe there's even more you can do down there.
Let's pull up here and stop. I want to get out with the camera when you get up there. Get up there on the rocky stuff and
Yeah, that's what I thought.
we'll show how steep that is. Yeah, there's the power line trail. Oh, it's rocky.
Man, I think they did that to reduce erosion.
Oh.
God damn. That's steepest in the mountains.
Okay, we'll get out here real quick and take a look at this. There's Adam's Jeep. None worse for the wear. We didn't tear anything up yet. But this is the hill called Powerline Hill. And as you can see, it's a highly technical hill to come up. Lots of loose boulders and rocks sticking out where your tires are going to hit. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad from up here until you look at that boulder. It's about like that tree stump we had to negotiate a while ago. Ain't nobody been up this in a while. This here is seriously difficult. And then there's a couple more over there. Somebody came up it on a dirt bike right there.
Yeah, dirt bikes aren't bad though.
Holy crap, that's where they cut the power poles. I don't even want to get close to the edge on that. That looks so rough. Yeah, it's a challenge there.
Yeah.
What's the angle there, you think?
Oh, I'd say it's...
More than 45?
I'd say it's probably 43. But the boulders is what's really going to throw you off on that one, and then the erosion on each side.
Right.
Then
Try to get your tires through that gap.
Yeah.
If you miss it.
And the big cleat in the middle. Those got big boulders in there too.
Yeah, this is challenging just to walk up here and videotape this, let alone try to drive up it in a Jeep. Powerline Hill, and here's the Powerline Trails. We're gonna go there next. Oh, dang! It's just hard to walk even. Somebody lost their iced tea. Fell off the back.
Yeah, if I had a spare tire bag, I'd put it in there.
Yeah.
Maybe we can make that.
Oh.
You'll have to let me download those.
Ready to go.
Gotta have it in. The good thing about the low gear is
Easy.
that's what I wanted. Won't burn up the brakes. Yeah, so you're hearing that, right?
Hearing what? The clicking?
Yeah.
Yeah, I could hear it when you were going up that hill trying to get around that tree stump. Also, did we go all the way that way?
Yeah. Can't turn on pavement with this thing.
Oh, when it's in 4-wheel drive?
Yeah, it doesn't like it.
Yeah, it puts a lot of strain on it, really.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Slippy.
Oh yeah, this is terrible. This is the 3.
That's the more difficult. That way's probably less difficult.
Yeah. I would say you're right. Hey, you know what? Let me get out and look at that one.
Okay.
Because there's 3 signs. They're probably... No, I ain't getting out here. That's probably shelters and stuff is what it probably says.
You want me to...
I'll get out here and look if you want, or you just go ahead and go. Oh, that was a big rock.
Group.
Oh,
And
what?
stop.
Yeah.
Because I can't see shit.
Yeah.
And that's a big drop off on that side.
Let me get out and spot you.
Yeah, just let me know which way to go. Is that wheel clear? had to turn around right here. Couldn't make it up. We could make it up that hill, but there was a huge pothole on the other side.
Yeah.
About as big as a lake. Yeah, so I can just drop down in there now, right?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Go down there, and then when you come back, you make the turn that way. Unless you just want to go ahead and try to go this way.
I mean, I probably could, but do we want to go that way, or do we want to go that way?
Well, I think you got to go back the way we came.
There's a hill right here.